Hello everyone, I hope all are doing great. So now we are going to learn about parameter table. So what exactly this parameter table? These parameter tables are special because they only have one record for each legal entity and their purpose is to store parameters used within a module. And we have like many examples for parameter table like cust parameters, vent parameters, invent parameters and others. So small modules may not need a parameter table, but most of the time they will need number sequence and future versions of the module might need parameters. So the recommendation is to include a parameter table in a new module if you create any new modules. Okay, so for to create a parameter table, it's same like similar like the normal table, and go to the properties for this parameter table. They'll just you have to change the properties like catchy lookup to the entire table, and also table group. So we have table group, right? So table group you need to set it as a parameter. Okay, so the use of the table group is like we need to select for which group this table is a part of. Okay, so this is how that you can create the parameter table. It's same like a table, just you have to change few properties of it. And yeah, that's it. Subscribe for more videos, guys. See you soon.